Welcome. Today, we're diving into the latest update on how to send someone a story on Instagram from your PC. With this new feature, sharing moments with friends has never been easier. Let's jump right into the steps. First, open Instagram on your preferred web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't done this yet, simply go to Instagram.com and enter your credentials. This will take you to your feed where all the magic happens. Next, open the story you want to share. You can do this by clicking on the profile picture of the user whose story you wish to send. Once their story is playing, you'll see the content they've shared, whether it's a photo or video. Now, it's time to click the sending icon. This icon looks like a paper airplane and is usually located at the bottom of the screen. Clicking it will open a new window where you can select who you want to share the story with. After that, select the recipients. You can type in their usernames in the search bar or scroll through your contacts. If you want to add a personal touch, feel free to write your message in the text box provided. This way, your friends will know why you're sharing that particular story. Finally, once you've chosen your recipients and added any message you want, simply click Send. Your selected friends will receive a notification that you've shared a story with them, making it easy for them to view it right away. And that's it. You've successfully sent someone an Instagram story from your PC using the new update. This feature makes it seamless to connect with friends and share moments directly from your desktop. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on navigating social media effectively. Happy sharing!